Hi guys, today we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence where innovation meets emotions. Have you ever found yourself seeking to have a personal life discussion with an AI? Picture this, you have got like personal questions or you're just longing to have a friendly chat. You've tried ChatGPT and it's done its best. But what if I told you there is an AI that goes beyond? It has a touch of humor and an element of kindness, and I'm talking about Inflection. Inflection is your go to AI for a personal and emotionally supportive experience. With Inflection AI, you can vent, brainstorm ideas, learn something new, make plans, feel calm, and do so much more. Let's learn what the secret is behind Inflection PI's magic.
The secret behind Inflection PI's magic lies in its advanced artificial intelligence and deep learning algorithms. These allow Inflection PI to understand and respond to human emotions, making it an empathetic and engaging conversational partner. By analyzing language patterns and context, Inflection PI can provide personalized, relevant responses that foster meaningful connections with users. The AI's ability to learn from each interaction ensures that it continues to improve and adapt over time, making every conversation with Inflection PI a unique and enriching experience.
Inflection PI has a unique interface. You can discover existing prompts by clicking on Discover. Then you can create conversation trends, and rather than chatting, you can get your responses in audio form. Let's go over the settings. So you can see that I've had 39 message exchanges, and you can change the voices here to there are different options here. You can give a feedback to enable Pi make some improvement in their work. I think this is good. Then they have their community space. You can also share with your friends. Then, yeah, there's the privacy policy. Then there's the terms of service, which you can definitely look through. So let's try an emotional prompt. So you can see that Inflection PI's response is pretty much interactive, and there is a follow-up question, and yeah, it's just really effective, and it doesn't only provide like emotional support or like kind responses, it also provides factual information. Though there is a disclaimer that all the information might not be accurate, so you might need to verify, but it provides accurate information to a certain point. So now I was asking for information about a particular meal, and it was able to provide the recipe for the meal. So yeah, I feel it's a great AI platform to definitely try. In a world where nothing beats the warmth of a friend's hug, praying to God, relating with your community, or having a heart to heart with loved ones, Inflection PI steps in as a virtual companion. It's not just about answering questions, it's about providing emotional support when those recurring thoughts start to surface and you find yourself in need of some form of conversation. Sometimes all you need is a friendly chat, and Inflection PI is ready to be that digital friend. So if you're ready to explore the depth of artificial intelligence, access necessary business support, click the link in the description to subscribe to my newsletter and to access my business support services. This brings me to the end of this video. Please don't forget to hit that like button, share with your friends, and subscribe for more exciting updates. Let me know in the comment section if this was helpful and if you'll be trying out Inflection PI.